governance issues surrounding solar geoengineering are going to be largely not largely, but are certainly going to be in part values-led rather than results-led. It's not as though this is going to be a well-considered cost-benefit decision taken by the whole world. There will be some people, and they will be represented in many cultures, who will find this idea a very disturbing idea, whatever the facts about it are. There is no singular decider. In order for there to be no solar geoengineering, a large number of actors around the world need to keep on not deciding to do it. And one of the things that governance can do proactively is help them decide not to do it in various different ways. But in that way, governance becomes very definitely one way, not the other. It loses the admirable equipoise that C2G shows in neither being for nor against. I think that we have an idealized way of saying that we would like to set down the rules in advance, but we have to bear in mind that there is not a universal we. The interests of different nations at different times can conflict quite strongly.